All right, my baby carrots. So today I wanted to work on one that was a little bit more beginner friendly, like just get you started. So you can do this one with two colors. I chose doing it with orange, and I also chose black. So I'm gonna figure out where I want my moon to be, get a base color on it, and again, I'm using orange, but feel free to use whatever color you want. Get some of your black and put it onto an index card or piece of paper, spray it on there pretty thick, and then let it drip onto your moon. Once you get enough drips that you want, get some ad paper, crumpled up newspaper, whatever you want to use. I just use ad paper. Crumple it up, give it a nice smash, dab it all over right till you like it. If you want more, go ahead and add more. If you want less, well, go ahead and spray over it and try to cover it up. Oh yeah, I feel pretty good about how that one looks. So I'm gonna take my black again and add just some darker spots onto the moon before I go over top of it with the orange. Once I like it, go over top with the light mist of orange. That way the black still shows through. I probably could have gone a little bit darker if I wanted in some of those black spots, but let's go ahead and cover that bad boy up for the reveal later. Once it's covered up, go ahead and just fill the whole background with black. I think I leave a little bit of orange, but you can go ahead and fill it all with black if you want. Let's go ahead and add some more orange. Make sure we get more black in there as well. And once we get all of that, we'll have what we need to make that water effect. I'm adding different accent points just to, because I don't want it to be just a straight orange looking thing. So there are some different accent points. Man, I'm having a hard time with the word accent. But anyways, have some different accent points. We're gonna use our two fingers and just swipey, and it'll look nice. You can say I pulled out some clear just to re-wet because it was starting to dry a little bit. Get those two fingers, swipe it across. That way it's not such a harsh line and gives you a little bit of that water effect. I'm going to go back and forth a couple of times until it gets to the point I want. A little back and forth. Very nice. Perfect. All right, now I just want to darken those edges more so I don't see any of those kind of fingerprint areas. A lot of times when I'm not going dark on the edges, I'll swipe all the way off the edge just so I don't have those stop points. Give it a little mist of black on that straight edge just to darken up that horizon a little bit. Contrast it from the sky just a hair, just because it is the same color. It's black and black, so we'll go ahead and get that finished up. Now let's get that straight edge off of there and see how it turned out. Ooh, that's nice. The straight edge did pull off a little bit of black there, so I'm just gonna take my black, give it a little spray, cover that up, and we're good to go. And there you have it. You have a nice first painting of the moon over your black water. Good luck, guys. Hopefully it all turns out good for you. Make sure to like and subscribe for future tutorials. There you go. Have a wonderful day.